So this is how to buy BNB cryptocurrency here in Canada using Robinhood. So once you open up Robinhood, at the very bottom there's three different options. Select the one in the middle, that is the magnifying glass. Now once you're here, if you were to scroll down to where it says trending list right here and just sort it by market cap, BNB should be at the top of the list. If it's not here, you can just simply go to the search bar at the top and type in a ticker symbol BNB, and it'll bring you to the exact same area. So once you're on this page right here, at the bottom where it says buy, select that. Now in the top right where it says market order, if you were to select that, you can change the order type. So you can do a market order in Canadian dollars or a market order in BNB. I will keep it at Canadian dollars in this example. And once you're here, you can then select how much you want to buy of BNB crypto. So if you wanted to buy $8 worth, for example, you would just press on 8 and then in the middle press review. You can then review the order by seeing how much BNB crypto you're going to be purchasing, the fees, and the total cost. And if this looks good, at the very bottom where it says swipe up to submit, you can swipe up and submit the order just like that. So that is how to buy BNB crypto here in Canada on Robinhood. Thanks again for watching and hope this video helps.